I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby. We are out here in the snow on the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. The snow has been coming down pretty moderate this morning. The temperatures right around the upper 20s to near 30 degrees in many locales. And we're looking for about 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches before that change to rain. But there are some concerns because winter storm warnings are up for Oregon. As you can see behind me, the interstate is moving fairly smoothly. Wet roadways. The Idaho Department of Transportation doing a great job with the roadways. However, when you go further west, back into Oregon, the temperatures are a little colder, especially back towards the northwest around Baker City. That's where you'll see substantial snows. I think in eastern Oregon and extreme western areas of the Treasure Valley, there should be some substantial snowfall in that 2 to 5, maybe 4 to 8 inch range. The foothills, you get above 3,500 feet. I think we'll see that's just above Boise. Boise sits at 2,800 feet. Above 3,500 feet, I think we'll see 4 to 8 inches of snow. And then as you go up into the mountains, this is going to be a southern Idaho snowstorm. And so the mountains are really going to get hammered here. Bogus Basin, easily a foot or more of snow with this system as the snow levels start to rise above 5,500 feet or so. During the day tomorrow, it'll still be all snow up there at Bogus. The system will lift north. Sun Valley is going to score big. Tamarack, Brundage is going to score big. Just a great start to the snow season. Of course, the Weather Show, the only forecaster to talk about this on Election Day, when it was mild, when I was in shorts and T-shirts. We saw this coming. It's going to be a harsh winter and a lot of cold air yet to come. Now, this system, when it does move on through, the models, everybody talking about a changeover to rain. Here is something just to be a little bit concerned with. It's behind me. See that flag? The flag extended from the southwest to the northeast. That means a southeast wind coming on through. The southeast to the northeast, to the northwest, rather. That's a southeast wind. Notice how it is pretty light right now. It's just luffing there in the wind. The models have us with a little bit more wind at this point, and so that may be an indication the cold air will slowly erode around the Boise area. But a good liquid content of the snow, roadways, fairly decent right now, and they should remain decent. Those middle turn lanes, parking lots, sidewalks, those will be a trouble spots for today. But a good snowfall, and then coming up, boy, we're going to talk about the cold air coming in behind this. I mean, the Arctic frigid air that is building is going to inundate the Northwest. Many areas will see temperatures for daytime highs in the teens and overnight lows flirting with below zero. The mountains will be well below zero, and there's a chance to get sub-zero temperatures in the Treasure Valley. With that cold air, all this moisture, if you lived here long enough, you know what's coming. The inversion, and it could be a solid inversion pattern with frigid Arctic air. All right, but right now it's beautiful. A lot of snow falling. Snow starting to stick, of course, on sidewalks, grassy areas. Looking for 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 around Boise, around Meridian. And then the further west you get, where that cold air kind of lingers in those deeper valley floors, lower elevations, that's where we'll see a little bit of that 2 to 5 inch and maybe even 4 to 8 inch amounts towards the Oregon border. So a pretty significant little snowstorm if it does not go to rain, and there is that possibility. This could be a pretty substantial snow event for the Treasure Valley, but that chance right now is low. We'll have more updates on the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. Be sure to go to the Weather Show YouTube channel. Tell your friends and family about it. We've got great promotions going on for free pizza from Pizza Hut on the Overland Plaza and silver dollars, authentic silver dollars, collector's items, and silver maple leaves from our friends at Security Gold and Silver Exchange over in Boise. Having a great time. I love snow. I love weather. I love being out in it. Go to our podcast. Tell your friends and family about this. We have grown I think over 70% in the last week with subscribers. Thank you. And any businesses, of course, you want to plug, come and see me, and we'll get you on the air. I'll come and do this live from your business establishment. You're watching The Weather Show with meteorologist Vin Crosby.